All right.
Or go.
This is a committee. This is the unboxing committee. They're just making sure I'm on script.
Exactly. Yeah.
All right.
Stand message, Mike.
So we're gonna unbox the Lenovo Twist. First things, we've got the power cables. Take this stuff out. Here it is.
Nice shape. It's a great bag.
It is a very, very well designed bag.
It is.
Here it is. The Lenovo Twist. And then what you can just do is twist it, flip it, pop it, drop it,
And touch.
and touch it. And you can, set it like this and watch a movie. Or just scare people midway like this.
Make them uncomfortable.
Yeah. Yeah. There you go. The Lenovo Twist. Next to the Sony Vaio Duo. And this one you just pull up.
Just lit up.
Yeah. I gotta remember to twist it where the arrow says, in the direction the arrow says.